Yo, what up, what up, what up? You already know who it is, Jon Belcher, aka Jadis Creek, 300 to freedom all day. As you already know, the word freedom is in that title, 300 to freedom, because that's what it's all about. The freedom to do what you love, to earn a paycheck from following your passions, from exposing your talents, from being of service to other people. You shall have freedom. You are deserving of freedom. Freedom is coming your way. That's what we all want. At the end of the day, we want the freedom of expression, the freedom to be ourselves, and to still make a good living by expressing ourselves and expressing our gifts and our talents. That's really what it's about at the end of the day. Now, if you've been following me for the last few days or years or weeks, whatever the case may be, you know that I make hip hop music. You know that my music is on all streaming platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, all them streaming platforms where you could get access to independent artists, hip hop music, whatever. I'm on there. All you got to do is search my stage name, which is Jadis Creek, to be able to listen to my music. But really, in this video, as you see the title, it says how to make money from home and while on vacation. I recently just came back from Costa Rica, baby. I just came back from Costa Rica. I was out there with the mommies. They was asking me, "Tu hablas español?" And I was like, "Un poquito, mami, un poquito." So just came back from Costa Rica, beautiful country. Shout out to all my Costa Ricans out there. It was a great experience. Although it rained every fucking day I was there. Every day I was in Costa Rica, it rained. And I found out that between the months of December and April is when it's sunny. That's when it's sunny out. But every other month after that, it tends to be gray skies and they get a lot of rain. It's basically, out there is basically like a rainforest. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how it is. But it was still warm, around high 70s, humid. But if you want to get that summer and a lot of sun, you got to go between December and April. That's when you got to go to Costa Rica. But you know what I mean? They get money out there. They get money in Costa Rica. It reminded me a lot of America, because it's kind of dollar for dollar. It's not like certain other Spanish countries where your American dollar, you exchange it and your American dollar could go way further. You could purchase way more stuff. Nah. It ain't like that in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is like this, right? If this shit costs whatever, right? It don't matter. This shit costs $3 here in America. That shit basically costs $3 out in Costa Rica. The only difference is in Costa Rica, they go by, their currency is called colones, right? That's what their dollar is called. Their dollar is called colones. And every $20, every 20 US dollars is equal to 10,000 plus colones. So you'll see something that's $60 over there is gonna be obviously 30,000 plus colones. That's how they go by, right? They go by colones. So, but yeah, Costa Rica is beautiful, man. Beautiful woman out there. It was just a great experience. Beautiful hotel I was staying at, jacuzzi, pool, all of that good shit. You know what I mean? Then breakfast was free. Breakfast came with the package deal, and between 6 to 8 p.m. they had free drinks and free appetizers, but everything else I had to pay for as far as dinner goes, as far as food goes, and as far as buying drinks and shit like that. But I highly recommend checking out Costa Rica if you want to go to a very prosperous, peaceful, safe, Spanish-speaking country. I recommend anybody to go there. And if you want to go live there, go live there. It's safe. You know what I mean? Like, I was talking to some people out there from, they was from the UK, and they was telling me what they told me. This is based on what they told me. They was telling me how Costa Rica don't even have an army, for real. They don't even have an army. They don't even have an army because, for the simple fact that they're a peaceful country. They make a lot of their money from tourists, so they're going to keep it safe. And they also said that everybody in Costa Rica is required to go to school and get an education. Everybody in that bitch got to go to school and learn something. Everybody in that motherfucker gotta go to school and get some knowledge. So what that tells me is they have very core principles and things that they live by that gives way to their prosperity and success. So it made a lot of sense when I saw that. But how to make money from home and on vacation. And the reason why I made that the title of this video is because I was on vacation making money. You know what I mean? I've been making money online for years now. If you've been following me for a long enough time, you know I've been making money online for years, right? And people don't understand how good it feels, how good the freedom feels to be able to make money independent of time. A lot of people are, you know, it's going to get to the point where it don't matter anyway, because AI is most likely, and I hope not, but AI, what it's looking like, is going to get rid of a lot of jobs and a lot of positions that humans have. So we got to think 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line. We can't just work for today, right? If you're a part of the 300 to Freedom Academy, you know that we can't just only focus on today. We got to look 10 years down the line. We got to look in the future and set things up so that by the time that time comes, we're well into prosperity and experiencing the life that we want. Because there's changes that are coming. You know what I'm saying? With artificial intelligence and all of that shit, changes are coming, and they're creating robots. And these robots, they don't have to pay an hourly wage to. They could create the robot, and the robot could just run and do the tasks that they need the robot to do. So what this is gonna cause is it's gonna cause a big major hit to the workforce. And this doesn't mean that everybody's just gonna necessarily be poor, but there's gonna be a transitional period where a lot of the people who have wealth in their hands today, they may not have it years down the line, because there's gonna be a transference of wealth. When AI becomes mainstream and it's really booming, we ain't quite there yet. We getting there, but we ain't quite there yet. But you know what I'm saying? Like when AI become mainstream and start booming, you're gonna see a lot of wealth being transferred in the world, because a lot of new companies, a lot of new things are gonna be taken off, because it's gonna be basically a whole new motherfucking world in the way we operate because of these robots. You know what I'm saying? So making money from home is gonna become even more important. It's gonna become even more of a necessity. It's gonna become something that your ass have to learn how to do at some point, making money from home. And really, how to make money from home is really just about learning how to get traffic. It's really about learning how to brand yourself. That's what's making money from home and making money on the go. It's really about creating a community where you're servicing people, you know, you're helping people. And once you are able to build up your traffic, right, from whatever value that you're giving every day online, on the internet, whatever it is that you're doing, right? There's so many different ways to make money from home. It's not just from affiliate marketing, right? You can trade stocks and make money from home. You can sell clothes and make money from home. You can sell books and make money from home. You can sell information products and make money from home. For example, right, the 300 to Freedom Academy, where you learn how to step your game up, how to make money online. You learn timeless skills to be able to close sales on the internet, to be able to build a following of people that want to buy things from you, that love to buy things from you. The 300 to Freedom Academy, for example, is a form of an information product, because you're learning and you're gaining knowledge on how to be successful on the internet by selling various things, right? By selling various things. Very simple. So even though it's simple, it doesn't mean making money online is easy. Don't get it twisted. It takes work. It takes a lot of work. But you know what it is I'm building up a community of people who are relentless. I'm talking about a community of people who never take no for an answer. A community of people who, no matter what they go through, they continue to keep pushing. They continue to keep fighting. They continue to keep taking action. And they continue to keep continue to keep serving people in the world. That's the community of people that I'm building up. And the reason is because of the amount of things that I went through, right? The only way I was able to overcome the things I went through was by just continuing to persevere, overcome, staying consistent, even in the face of great adversity. I got my Facebook deleted 2 times. You know, I got my Facebook deleted 2 times. Many companies that I've been a part of in the past, well, not many, I could say quite a few. Like, I could count on my hand how many companies I was a part of. But those companies went out of business. But at the end of the day, I'm still grateful, because a lot of those companies is how I learned how to market. A lot of those companies taught me what I know today about making money online. So I don't take that experience in vain. Things that you know, in life, sometimes you learn the most from your greatest losses. Sometimes in life, you learn the most from your greatest losses. You'll find in life that you may not learn a lot from the wins that you get. You may not learn a lot from the success that you have. But from them dark times and from them dark days and from the times you were failing, you might find that you learn a lot more. So that's what I mean when I say that. But how to make money from home and while on vacation is, you got to be about it. You got to be taking action relentlessly. You got to be, if you're a content creator, you got to be setting up content in advance before you even go on your vacation, so that you know if you're on vacation and you know you're going to be having a good time for 5 days straight, for example, make sure you have your content pieces already lined up, already organized and ready to go, so that when you on vacation, basically you just uploading them bitches, right? You just getting your content out there, and you still able to make money even while on vacation, you know? Because these skill sets, they're gonna be even more important years down the line. You know, it's gonna be something that we all need to learn. At least the way I see it, man. The way I see it is the internet and all of this Wi-Fi powered shit. This shit ain't going nowhere. This shit is the future. You know what I'm saying? So the way to make money online is really about knowing how to connect with your fellow man. That's what this shit is about. Learning how to connect with your fellow man. Learning how to connect with your fellow community in a way where they can relate. You know, me personally, I don't believe that a 9-to-5 job is most people's greatest potential. I believe that if a lot more people took their passion and took it more seriously, they'd be way more ahead, as long as they're doing what's true to them. As long as you're doing what's true to you, it could be making music, you know, it could be writing, it could be teaching, it could be preaching, it can be making art, painting, drawing. As long as you're doing what's true to you and you keep doing it at a high level and consistently, you'll eventually find your tribe of people that's gonna fuck with you. You're gonna eventually find your tribe of people that's gonna fuck with you. Drop a comment below if you feel what I'm talking about in this video, if you feel what I'm saying. Like, you know what I mean? Make sure to share this video with 5 people you know. I'm about to end this video. I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to give y'all a generic thing to think about, you know, and these are really the reasons why I even created the 300 to Freedom Academy and wanted to have high level valuable videos in that training program, is because I know that knowledge is the key. You know, knowledge and wisdom. Wisdom is basically the ability to know how to apply the knowledge that you have to create the results you want in your life. Wisdom, that's what it is. The ability to apply the knowledge that you've gained in order to get what you want in life. So, you know what I mean? Make sure to share this video with 5 people you know who want to make money independent of time. 5 people you know who are tired of just living life, knee-jerking their way through life and getting punching the clock, and that's all their life is about, is making paychecks and then paying bills, making paychecks, paying Uncle Sam, making paychecks and paying off debt. If you tired of that shit, then, you know what I mean, it's time to get part of a new movement. It's time to get a part of something where it's bigger than life itself. You feel what I'm saying? But if you want to get connected with me and learn more at a higher level, all you got to do is check out the links in the description below. All my handles, my social medias, my Facebook, my Instagram, all of that stuff is in the description below. All you got to do is check that out to get in contact with me. But yeah, That's basically what it is, man. You making money online, you know, you gotta sell something, you know, for the most part, but also as a content creator, you don't gotta necessarily sell something. Selling something could just be one income stream, but you can also have another income stream where you're getting paid from monetizing, let's say your YouTube channel or your TikTok. You can monetize that, get to the point where you monetize that, and also you can get paid from companies willing to pay you to promote their products, right? Which is very similar to affiliate marketing, but a little different because they'll be paying you because of the traffic that you're getting on your social, your YouTube or your TikTok. You know what I mean? You got companies out there that they want to use influencers and they want to use YouTubers in order to promote their products, and they willing to pay your ass. So why not learn how to fucking do that shit? Why not fucking learn how to be paid on vacation? Why not fucking learn how to be paid while you at home fucking chilling on the couch, scratching your balls, or, you know, fucking caressing your titty or some shit? I don't know. Why not learn that shit? I think that shit is dope to learn. That's something you could pass down, knowledge you could pass down to your kids. You feel me? So yeah, it's your boy Jadis Creek, aka Jon Belcher. Make sure to check out all the links in the description. Drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Give me a thumbs up, baby. Give me a thumbs up. Don't be shy. Don't be hating on the wave. It is what it is, yo. We going to the top. Dreams to freedom. Peace.